name is Clary. Welcome to my book. There is only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. Alright? It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little teeny tiny push. Like this. Ah! Now I'm yellow! Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Push, push. Ack! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Like push, 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 push. Shake the book to get rid of the extra clearings. Shake, 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 shake. Like shake, 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 shake. Almost. Good job. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Clary's tummy to get her back to normal. Scratch me. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button
Again. Ever.
But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more times.
Uh-oh. Push the button.